Ready? President Mamnoon Hussain has underlined the need on building a mutually beneficial relationship between Pakistan and Cuba. Full stop. The president stated that the long standing partnership between the two countries is marked by close friendship and cordiality, thereby forming the basis for multidimensional cooperation. Full stop. The president was talking to Pakistan's ambassador designate to Cuba, Kamran Shafi, who called on him at Ivan Sadr on Tuesday. Full stop. The president mentioned that the parliaments of both countries have been maintaining close cooperation in the past through the exchange of visits and expressed hope that this upward trajectory of bilateral relations would be maintained in future as well. Full stop. The president emphasized on further strengthening political, economic and cultural bonds between the two countries. Full stop. The president stated that while bilateral trade between Pakistan and Cuba has increased substantially during the past years, it is still not at par with the potential that exists between the two countries. Full stop. The president noted that while trade is the domain of businessmen, it is the government's job to provide a conducive environment for trade activities. Full stop. He underlined the need for both countries to encourage traders to participate in the trade fairs held in the two countries, not only to showcase their products but also to identify opportunities for expanding trade relations further. Full stop. The president called for focusing on the scope for building cooperation in other areas including medical research, disaster management, biotechnology, higher education, culture, sports and tourism. Full stop. He highlighted that Pakistan could also benefit from Cuban experiences in the areas of medical science and healthcare. Full stop. The president facilitated the ambassador designate on his appointment to Cuba and expressed hope that his tenure in Cuba would prove highlight conducive to bilateral relations between Pakistan and Cuba. Full stop. President Mamnoon Hussain has urged upon making efforts to root out cooperation and inefficiency from the audit department and public sector by using latest trends in auditing like forensic, environment, and IT auditing. Full stop. The president was talking to Auditor General of Pakistan Rana Asad Amin, who called on him at Ivan Sadr on Thursday. Full stop. Congratulating Rana Asad Amin on his appointment as Auditor General of Pakistan, the president stated that the institution of Auditor General of Pakistan has an important role in promoting the values of integrity, quality and transparency. Any scandal The president appreciated that the tenure of the present government is not marred by any scandal, full stop. He remarked that the country is now progressing in the right direction and the overall economic situation will further improve in the near future, full stop. He mentioned that close coordination of Auditor General's Department with the Public Accounts Committee under bracket PAC, Ministry of Finance and Controller General of Accounts is an essential elements to strengthen public financial management, effective accountability of government functionaries and parliamentary oversight, full stop. The president advised that Auditor General's office should take up current issues of public importance and provide full support to government in its efforts to end corruption, improve public sector performance and quality of service to the people, full stop. The Auditor General appraised the President of a number of measures initiated by him to improve the performance of his department to ensure merit, and transparency, and accountability, full stop.